In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to Blogger. If you want to give your Blogger site a more polished and recognizable look, adding your logo is a great place to start. In Blogger, this is typically done through the favicon setting, which controls the small icon that appears in the browser tab. It may be a small detail, but it helps reinforce your brand and makes your blog easier to identify. To begin, go to your Blogger home dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your blog, posts, layout, and settings. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct blog if you manage more than one. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This section contains many of the configuration options for your blog, including the area where you can update your site icon. Inside Settings, find and click on Favicon. This is where Blogger lets you upload the small image that represents your blog in browser tabs and bookmarks. If you already have an icon there, this is also where you can replace it with a new one. After that, click on Select Icon File. This will open your device's file browser, so you can choose the image you want to use. It's a good idea to have your logo file ready ahead of time so the process goes smoothly. For best results, use a simple clear image that still looks good at a very small size, since favicons are displayed in limited space. Now select the file from your device. Browse to the folder where your logo or icon is saved, then click on it to upload. If your image has a lot of tiny text or very detailed elements, keep in mind that those may not be easy to see once the icon is reduced in size. A clean design usually works best here. Once your file has been selected, click Save. This confirms the change and applies your new favicon to the blog. After saving, your update may not appear instantly in every browser, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Sometimes you may need to refresh the page, open the site in a new tab, or wait a little while for the icon to update. And that's it. You've successfully added your logo to Blogger. With just a few clicks, your blog can look more professional and more consistent with your brand.